How to change shirt number in Score Hero. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want to change your player's shirt number in Score Hero, then it is super easy to do so. But before that, first of all, make sure that you've crossed the stage 12. And once you've done that, the hero option will unlock at the bottom. Once it is unlocked, click it open. Now after you're inside this hero page, go ahead and click on shirt number at the top left corner. Now, select a different shirt number. You can choose the shirt number and purchase it with in-game currency. Here, different shirt number has a different value. Go ahead and make your selection, and if you've got enough in-game currency, you can click on this green button at the bottom right corner. Right now, I do not have enough in-game currency, so I'm not being able to do it right now. But if you have enough game currency, you can change it by selecting one of the numbers and clicking on this green button at the bottom right. So that way you will be able to change your shirt number in Score Hero. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.